Hello, welcome back. Today we're gonna do another mystery box. Went to Target the other day, they had one left. So we're gonna check it out, open it up for you guys, and like I said the other day, we had a really good time doing this, so luckily we were able to find another one, so let's get to it.
You open it.
Alright.
But don't look.
Just let you know, these boxes, I'll tell you,
It's glued.
They really glue them. I don't want you peeking. Oh, this one's really on there. Okay. Prize number one.
Let's see. Feel something fuzzy.
Yeah, just grab that one.
This is probably identical to the other one. It's a cutie cuff, but it's a different person. It's this guy.
My Little Pony.
I think its name is like Rarity, maybe? I don't know.
It's a rarity.
Who knows?
I need to quit looking in there.
Stop cheating. I'll hold it.
Okay. Here we go. Like another one of these egg guys.
Another egg.
I'm hoping we get all different ones.
Yeah, me too. Last time we got bacon. Let's see what we get this time.
Uh-oh. This one looks a little happier. Show them there.
It's like you just got cracked.
Got the hard-boiled egg. A little big for a keychain.
I know. Who wants an egg on their keychain?
What's this one say on it? Chill.
Chill.
Chill, man. Alright. Moving on. Now it's your turn.
Just hold. Oh, another flip-a-zoo. This box is probably exactly the same stuff.
Well, that's actually kind of what we're hoping for.
At least they won't be.
We want to get like
hopefully they're different.
Collection of them.
Oh yeah, this one's different. What the heck is this?
It's like
A kangaroo or a rabbit or?
Oh, and yeah, I was dead wrong in the last video. That hippo, what I thought was a hippo, was a bear. And I'll put the link to the last mystery box opening in the bottom description of the video.
No, it's this guy.
What's that?
Flossie Bunny and Goldie Pony. So this is the pony, and then that's the bunny. The bunny.
Which one is this? Prize number 3?
Yes, 3.
All right.
Surprise-imals. Surprising. Might have to cut it. I have scissors. Oh. Last time was zebra. Ooh, a koala.
All right.
He's cute. Looks like an old man.
It is.
He's cute.
Old Man Koala.
Okay. Did you look?
Nope.
It's Masters of the Universe again.
All right, my turn.
There you go.
That's what I was hoping for. I hope it's He-Man or Skeletor. They're a little tough. He-Man! Alright.
Cool.
Yes.
At least they're different things.
The Master of the Universe. I know, yeah. So if you didn't see our last video, we got this box at Target. They're $15.99. If you see them, I highly recommend buying them. You get 15 collectible prizes, and the retail value is worth over $50. So for 16 bucks, you get a pretty awesome collection.
Pretty cool. Hope I get another Jack Skellington.
It could happen.
Ooh. Hatchimals. see. This one has easy tear lines. I don't know why they all don't.
I know some of them are pretty tough.
Maybe. I lied. Oh boy. Oh boy.
Oh, this is the one that's the egg. And...
Yeah, you crack it. What is happening here? There we go.
Not so easy tabs.
It is. Oops. I'm dropping all the things. This one.
What is it?
I'm not really sure. Looks like another owl. Maybe it is. I have no idea.
It's the rainbow owl.
It's cool looking.
My turn. Hold the box.
You cheated.
I didn't know. I sort of did.
You can't take that one.
Oh, wow.
Just kidding.
No, you can open it.
I can do it.
Wreck-It Ralph. Wreck-It.
This is one in the globe like Jack Skellington, so we probably won't get him this time. Oh, yeah. Let's see.
I hope it's Ralph. Wreck-It.
It's red. It's yes.
Who was that?
Her name is Yes.
Yes. Yes.
Yes.
Yes. Alright, my turn.
Oh.
Oh. Is this the same one we got?
No, it's a different one.
Is it? You got another Minion slap band here. Okay. Oh, I'm sure it works if it's out of
Not that hard.
You have better luck than I do. Oh, see?
Another
See?
Justice League.
She pulls stuff out. It's good stuff for me.
But you can open it.
Thank you. I hope it's good. I really don't care which it is. I love Justice.
I think Wonder Woman.
That would be cool.
Oh, it's just the logo.
It's kind of weak.
Still cool.
It's just the Justice League logo there. It does have the same tag on the back as the other one. Again, I'll put our other mystery box video in the video description below so you can watch our first one. Did have this cool Batman lithograph. Kind of a hologram card. Pretty awesome.
Yeah.
Okay.
I cheated. No, I seen what's next.
What? Another one.
This one feels different. I don't know. Maybe it's different.
Let's see. Nicest thing about these is they're real easy to open. Sweet, man. Have the whole collection here, then. Alright. It's just a better, you want to hold that up there? Just a better looking picture of Flash, Cyborg, and Batman. Which that's cool, at least it's different. And we're getting a lot of these carabiners with them.
Right.
And we have another, ooh!
Ooh, that one's cool.
That is cool. Lithograph of the Justice League. Spoiler alert, before Superman comes back to life.
Neat.
Pretty awesome. That is neat. See that?
I think they're stickers.
Are they?
It says peel here.
Oh, it is a sticker. Okay. Who is it?
I don't know. Some weird girl. Looks like Pokeballs on the back.
Might be from Pokemon. If anybody knows who that is, leave a message down in the comments.
No idea.
We got Pikachu for the last one, didn't we?
Yeah, it does say Pokemon, so
Oh, okay.
I guess it's...
It is a Pokemon character.
Better.
If you know, comment below.
Yeah.
What do we got?
Another tag. My Little Pony this time.
These things are pretty cool. I mean, you know.
Last time we got one that wasn't even a pony. Maybe
I know, I don't know what that was. I know it was called number 10.
This time we got a real pony.
Alright. Cool.
But I don't know who it is.
Does it come with a card too?
It has this. That's Rainbow Dash.
Rainbow Dash?
That is in the card.
Wow.
This one is, I don't know. They're just numbered. No idea.
Just go by numbers. So what was that, number 12? 13?
Something like that. 13.
There's a lot of stuff in here. They say up to 15.
Little Pet Shop. These are the ones you have to build your pet. Last time we got the bottom two.
Oh, yeah, that's right.
So hopefully we get 2 different ones. Look at the little turtle guy.
That's the bad thing about doing these mystery things is you do risk the chance of getting the same stuff. But it's fun.
But they're different this time.
Alright.
We got this one. Looks like a panda bear. And this one. I think it's a skunk. I think it's these two. This panda.
Skunk and
this
panda.
skunk. Those two. Pretty neat.
Alright, there's one left. I cheated. Reach in there. We don't know what it is, though.
It's another one of these Hello Kitty thingies.
Hello, Kitty.
Another mystery.
They make you work for that one.
Here's a guide. This one feels like it's got beans in it. Bean bag. What the heck-a-rooney? This person.
That is Pom Pom Purrin.
Sure. I have no idea. He's cute. He feels like a villain. He feels like a beanbag.
Oh yeah. Use him for a hacky sack.
That's what I was thinking. Hacky sack.
The last one of these we got in the last box was this little green guy here.
Yeah. Looks like he works for a carnival.
He does. Carapi? I don't know. Well, guys, that's it. That's the end of the mystery box. While I was messing with the box there, Jess went ahead and put together our little characters.
See?
Little panda and the skunk.
They're cute.
Okay, so I wanted to show you the pile of all the stuff we got here. Not too bad for 16 bucks. I would definitely say if you paid full price for these, it would be right about 50 bucks. If you buy this mystery box at Target, makes it about $1 a piece. What a deal. Got our little stuffed animals there. The Yes character from Wreck-It Ralph. Looks like our little egg guy fell over there. There he is. Got our cool Justice League dog tags and a couple lithograph cards. Two little guys just put together there. Of course, we got He-Man. Pretty awesome. Glad I got him. Maybe I'll get Skeletor next time. Got our little Flip-a-Zoo bunny there. My Little Pony. Here's that pin. If you know her name, leave me a comment below. See if we can't figure out who that is. Okay, well that's going to do it for us today. That was another great mystery box opening. You enjoying doing these?
Yeah, pretty cool.
Pretty awesome. I absolutely love them. It's fun to do it with you guys here, and as you can see, we got Baby Yoda here with us that we got from the Disney store. Pretty awesome.
Yeah.
We do have a couple special items that we're waiting for in the mail. We're not going to say what they are, but it is going to be a mystery, and it's going to be really exciting. So,
and they're different than this box.
Yeah, it's a little more popular. So with all that being said, we're out. Remember, the adventure is out.